I think we're safe now. Where's Darwin?
Yeah.
Who's slurping, brother?
Ain't me.
You nasty ass! You're caught on 4K, bro. You're gonna get exposed now.
Oh, I can't shoot through the wall.
Going up. Almost cracked her.
Okay.
Cracked one.
I missed. Oh, hit him for 17.
I gotta heal, hold on.
You good, you good?
Same.
Throw nades, you're good. They're getting fucked from behind, I think.
Silent.
They're getting fucked from behind.
Silent. Oh, I almost left them. Or almost knocked them.
I dropped. I dropped.
Okay.
Marlon, help me out.
I got it.
Rudy,
No,
thank
no
you.
one.
Get me, Rudy, get me. Marlon, you pussy, you left us.
Fine, we got
Bro,
it.
I was the lowest fucking out of all you guys. Shut up.
Yeah, unfortunately.
I aspired to have that problem.
Oh, over here!
Yo, that was weird.
Over here.
Oh yeah, I see them that time. They're at the bottom.
On top two, on top two.
Yeah, yeah. One at the top, one at the bottom. Oh, they're both down there. They see us.
There's the way Marlon just saw.
They look like fucking ants from here.
There's a guy over here, right? Should I try and kill him?
Oh, how?
Come on, man. Come on. Show me the pussy.
Out at range, so y'all can hit that, right? Nice, Marlon, nice.
Who's the dummy now?
I'll show you fucking.
Kiss my fat bitch.
I already got one.
Oh, fuck you.
They're getting focused now.
Nice. We can probably push up now. They better not focus us after this.
The ring of
We lost.
Yep.
Killed him. There's one more though. Keep that. Or there's
Yeah,
like
well, on the
someone
outside of it, right here.
here. Wait behind. Never mind.
Oh, vantage! Oh, fuck. Another one right here. He's down, he's down.
Oh, I see him.
He's stopping.
I got him.
Okay.
Got him. No, there's one more.
Another one, yep.
All squads are here, Marlon.
Hold on, target my ult, target my ult.
Marlon, you're getting focused hard for
I
some
know,
reason.
bro. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Get over here.
For some
I'll
reason,
tap
you're
my
getting
ult again.
focused.
I'll tap my ult again.
What the hell was that?
We need to get out of the middle.
Yeah. Well, oh my gosh, brother.
Ready to have a jump pad?
Yeah, almost. Yeah, it's ready.
Throw it over here so we can just fucking get out of here.
Yeah.
Beautiful call.
Thank you. Thank you.
I don't know, I can't see.
I'm using my decoy. Hold on. Let's see if it. Yep,
You
they're
have
there.
You have glasses, you should be able to see from there.
Shut up.
Watch the left.
I'm already
Oh. Cross. They're in
Yep.
here.
Great. That's good to know. What the? Another team.
I dropped.
Oh, he did what?
They're getting focused now. Look at him.
Go around. Go around. Go around. Go around. Go around. Should I switch out the Sentinel for the Wingman?
No.
Yeah, I would.
I want to hit him so bad.
I am for 70. Oh! I scared him. Alright, chill.
Yeah, I need to save my ammo.
One got knocked. We can go. We can go.
Go.
I have to go.
I'm with you, Marlon.
Bloodhound's low. Bloodhound is low.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Bloodhound's low. Bloodhound is low. Bloodhound's low. Bloodhound is low. Bloodhound's low.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
Play it smart, you guys. You guys play it smart.
No shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh
You
shit,
got it,
oh
Chris.
shit,
You
oh
got it.
shit,
I
oh shit.
don't.
Right here, right here. He's right
Talk
here.
to me.
He's right
Thank
here.
you. Hold on.
You guys
Shield
got
up,
it,
shield
you
up,
guys
shield
got
up,
it.
shield up.
You guys got him.
Dude, I tried.
You can get one of us, Chris.
Doing
I'll
that.
block you.
Rudy, don't make it obvious.
You're crazy.
Please do something.
I got this.
Don't go in zone. Don't go in zone. You're gonna die. There's one on
Stay
top.
down. Stay down.
He's on
Stay
top
down.
of us. He's on top.
Kevin,
He's on
crack.
top.
Crack. I'm gonna try to get him.
Surprise,
You got that,
motherfucker.
Rudy. He's cracked.
Got
Rudy
him.
got him. You guys got this. Marlon, get him. Or Rudy, someone get me up. Someone get me up.
I got you, Chris.
I'll cover you.
Ah.
Call out
Get
to Rudy.
me
Call out
up.
to let us know where that.
Him.
I'm gonna go. Hold on. Might go around.
Yep. He's on the left.
I'm flanking. I'm flanking him.
We're good, you guys. We're good. I think
They
we got
lost
this.
it on the left. They lost it on the left. 54 on both.
Careful.
Knocked one, guys. Help me.
Healing. I'm healing. I'm healing. Healing.
I cracked the other. Please.
Coming.
Do it. He's healing him. He's healing him. We won. We won. We won. We won. We won. Right here, boys. Right here. Right over here.
Got him.
Right over here. Careful, Rudy.
Beamed him.
Get behind me. Get behind me.
Yep.
Get behind me. Heal up.
Healing.
Stand behind me. You got this, boys. He's healing. He's hit a bat. He's hit a bat. You guys got it. Just stand behind me, Rudy. He's gonna. He's dead. He's done. He's done. Rush him. Rush him. Rush him. Rush him.
Got
Let's
him.
go, boys. W. Good one for the fucking vid,
Oh,
bro.
fucking me.
Good one for the vid. Holy shit.
Ah. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, fuck.
W. W.